The first thing to do is to go to this edge right here, click on it, and click on Dictate Tempo. Once that is done, choose 75 to 150, and after that, pay close attention to this place I'm highlighting. That is the original tempo of the sample. So as you can see, it's 129.992. So let's just approximate it and make it 130. So at this point, click no. Now go back here, click on it, and click fit to tempo. Now go down here, locate type in BPM. Click on it and key in that number that we approximated, 130. Enter. And that's it. As you can see, it has automatically locked itself into the tempo of the project. So let's listen. Perfect. So let's do the same thing to the second sample. Now turn it on, repeat the same process, dictate tempo, 75 to 150. There you go, 135.892. So we approximate it to 136. No, go back there, click on it, fit to tempo, type in BPM, 136, enter. And as you can see, it automatically locked itself in. Then we'll preview it. Then the two of them together. So as you can see and hear, it's perfectly synced to the tempo of the project. So if you found this very helpful, hit the like button, comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.